Jai Vigyan, dear children. In last session, we had learned about construction of triangle with SSS criteria, that is side criteria. Means when all the sides are given, how to construct a triangle. Now in this session, we are going to learn construction of triangle by SAS criteria. SAS is means side angle side criteria, means to construct a triangle when two side and angle included in it is given. Okay, now let us see by one example. For example, construct triangle DEF in such a way that DE is equal to 5 centimeter, EF is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle E is equal to, let us see, 70 degree. Now we have to construct this triangle in such a way that DE is 5 centimeter, EF is 4.5 centimeter and angle E is, that is side angle side, means two side is given, one angle is given. Let us first draw the rough triangle. So for rough triangle, it will be DEF. Now it is given that DE is 5 centimeter, EF is 4.5 centimeter and angle E is 70 degree. Now we have to draw. So when we draw a triangle, we know that first thing we have to draw is the base of any triangle. So here base is given, EF is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So first we will draw 4.5 centimeter. This is our EF. EF is 4.5 centimeter. We will write it here, 4.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw angle FEX is equal to 70 degree. So now 70 degree here too is one here also and one here also, but we know that we have to take this one because the base line here is passing from this 0. So we will take this one here, this 70 degree. That is like this. This mark here as X, angle FEX as 70 degree. This angle will be 70 degree. Now we know that ED is 5 centimeter. ED is 5 centimeter. So with radius 5 centimeter and center E, or we can say that with center E and radius 5 centimeter, we need to draw one arc on ray EX. This ray EX, radius 5 centimeter. So first we have to take the radius 5 centimeter. This is our radius 5 centimeter. Now center E here and radius 5 centimeter, means this. We need to draw an arc which cut EX at D. Then last point we need to just join DF. So here it will be 5 centimeter. Again I am repeating, first we need to draw EF, that is the base. Then we need to draw the angle, that is angle FEX is equal to 70 degree. Then ED is given here, DE is given 5 centimeter. So with center E and radius 5 centimeter, we need to draw one arc on EX which intersect at D and then join DF. So we can write here that triangle DEF is required triangle. Triangle DEF is required triangle. Now let us come to exercise 10.3. In exercise 10.3, question number 1 is construct triangle DEF. Triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 5 centimeter, DF is equal to 3 centimeter, and angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. Here it is 90 degree. So if we do the rough figure, then also we should know that if it is 90 degree, this we know that it is EDF. So it is D, then we had given DE and DF, both is given. So here it will be, let it be DE, and here F. This is 3 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw this triangle. So first we have to, as we always do, first we have to draw the base. Let us first draw the base. Here it is given base is 5 centimeter. That is DE is equal to 5 centimeter. So we will draw it here. DE. This is given 5 centimeter. Now EDX. Triangle EDF is given 90 degree. So from here we have to draw one ray like this. (90°) EDX. Now it is again given that DF is 3 centimeter. So with center D and radius 3 centimeter, we need to take radius 3 centimeter. From here with center D and radius 3 centimeter, we need to draw an arc like this which intersect the ray DX at F. Now join FE. Here it will be 3 centimeter. So triangle DEF is required triangle. So we can say that. So we can say therefore triangle DEF is required triangle. Triangle DEF is required triangle. Now let us see question number 2. Question number 2 is construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal side is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. Now first we have to here draw one triangle like this. This is the triangle here, means this side and this side is equal, and this is our 110 degree. This is given isosceles triangle, means two sides are equal. So here we can say that this and this sides are equal, and angle between them is 110 degree. Now let us name it. M N O. Here it is given MO is equal to 6.5 centimeter. NO is given again 6.5 centimeter. So we can write here that construct an isosceles triangle. Here insert triangle MNO in such a way that NO is given 6.5 centimeter. MO is also given 6.5 centimeter. Angle MON is equal to 110 degree. Now again when we need to construct it, first we need to draw the base of this triangle. The base is NO. So let's draw first base. Base is given 6.5. This we can write NO, which is 6.5 centimeter. NO is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Then next we have to draw triangle NOX is equal to 110 degree. So from here we can draw 110 degree. Here this 0 is there on this 0, so we can mark it here. Now if this is X, then triangle NOX is equal to 110 degree. This we can draw. Then next what we have to draw is OM or MO is given 6.5 centimeter. So with center O and radius 6.5 centimeter, we need to draw one arc with center O and radius 6.5 centimeter. We need to draw one arc which intersect the ray OX at M. This is our 6.5 centimeter. The next we need to join M and N. So triangle MON is required triangle. We can write therefore for triangle MNO is required triangle. Triangle MNO is required triangle. So now question number 3 is construct triangle ABC. BC is equal to 7.5, AC is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle C is 60 degree. That you can do by yourself also. Here we end our exercise 10.3. This all the 3 sums you have to do in your notebook. Question number 3 you have to do by yourself. Rest all 2 I had done here. So these 3 sums you have to do in your notebook. Thank you.